This video introduces how to download the Syntec IDE software from the Syntec website, and how to install this software on the personal computer. Syntec IDE is a novel integrated development tools, including PLC, HMI and other development software, convenient for developers to use. Download from the Syntec website. For the first time to use, please register an account on the Syntec website and obtain permission from Syntec. After the account is open, then logged in, can follow link path to the software download page. On the software download page, select pull-down menu. Number 4 Application Tool, then select Syntec IDE. Select Official Version. A list of software versions will appear on the screen, along with the download button and the release note. Click the download icon on the right side to download the zip file. Unzip the downloaded file and put it in the root directory of the floppy disk, such as CRD drive, and then modify Windows user settings. Search for UAC in the Start menu with the search box to minimize notification levels. After adjusting, press OK. Double-click the Syntec IDE.exe in the folder to execute the program. For additional considerations, please see the Q&A file in the zip file.